Hello dear children, welcome to today's class. Today's thought is success is the sum of several small efforts repeated day in and day out. Now let us continue with the third chapter HCF and LCM. Let us learn co-prime numbers. Two numbers which have only one as a common factor are said to be co-prime or relatively prime or mutually prime numbers. Last year, already we have studied how to find factors in listing method. Now, according to that, we will take any two numbers as an example. Here I took 10 and 21. First, we will write the factors of 10. Now, the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. That is 10 comes in the table of 1, 2, 5 and 10. Now, we will write factors of 21. That is 1, 3, 7 and 21. 21 comes in the table of 1, 3, 7 and 21. Now look at the common factors. Here 1 is common. Yes, only 1 is common. So you will write here the only factor common to both 10 and 21 is 1. Hence you can say 10 and 21 are co-primes. So according to our definition, if two numbers have only 1 as a common factor, if two numbers have only 1 as a common factor, then they are co-primes. Here the other word for co-primes are relatively prime or mutually prime numbers. Here we will write some other co-prime numbers. 3 and 8 are co-primes. If you see the factors of 3 and 8, you will see only one is the common factor for 3 and 8. Here 3 is prime whereas 8 is composite number. So one prime and one composite number can be co-prime numbers. 4 and 9. Here if you look at the factors of 4 and 9, again one is only common factor for 4 and 9. Here 4 and 9 both are composite numbers. So two composite numbers can be co-prime numbers. Here 21 and 22. Both are composite numbers but both are consecutive natural numbers. If you know the natural numbers, set of natural numbers starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. That is they end up to infinity. So 21 and 22 are consecutive natural numbers. That is the one number come after the other. Here 22 comes after 21, 23 comes after 22, 24 comes after 23. So these three are the pairs of consecutive natural numbers. So any two consecutive natural numbers are also co-primes. Now here I took some pairs of prime numbers 3 and 5, 23, 29, 47 and 53. Here these three pairs of prime numbers are also co-primes. So we will write here two prime numbers are always co-primes. So if you take any two prime numbers, you will find they are always co-primes. Now the question is given there. Verify that any two consecutive natural numbers are co-primes. Here I took some examples 2 and 3, 21, 22, 75, 76. These are all natural numbers. These are consecutive natural numbers. 2 and 3 are consecutive natural numbers. 21, 22 are consecutive natural numbers. 75, 76 are consecutive natural numbers. So if you see the factors of these two numbers, you will find the only common factor to these two numbers is 1. Therefore, these are co-primes. Again, only common factor for 21 and 22 is 1. Therefore, 21 and 22 are co-primes. Similarly, only common factor for 75 and 76 is 1. Therefore, 75 and 76 are co-primes. Therefore, we can say any two consecutive natural numbers are always co-primes. Now, let's learn about twin prime numbers. Now, what are twin prime numbers? If the difference between two co-prime numbers is 2, then the numbers are said to be twin prime numbers. If the difference between two co-prime numbers is 2, then the numbers are said to be twin prime numbers. That is, if you take any two co-prime numbers and if their difference is 2, you can call them as twin prime numbers. In the previous slide, we have seen all prime numbers are co-primes. Here, if you look at the list of prime numbers, we will see which two prime numbers are twin prime numbers. Here, the difference between 2 and 3 is 1. Here, therefore, 2 and 3 are not twin prime numbers. But if you look at 3 and 5, difference between 3 and 5 is 2. Hence, you can say 3 and 5 are twin prime numbers. Then if you look at 5 and 7, difference between them is 2. Hence, you can say 5 and 7 are twin prime numbers. Then difference between 7 and 11 is 4. Hence 7 and 11 are not twin prime numbers. But 11 and 13, the difference is 2. Hence 11 and 13 forms the pair of twin prime numbers. Then 13 and 17, the difference is 4. Hence 13 and 17 are not twin prime numbers. But 17 and 19, they are twin prime numbers because difference between 17 and 19 is 2. Here if you look at 19 and 23, the difference between 19 and 23 is 4. Hence 19 and 23 do not form the pair of twin prime numbers. Likewise, if you see 23 and 29, the difference is 6. Hence 23 and 29 do not form pair of twin prime numbers. But 29 and 31, the difference is 2. Hence 29 and 31 are twin prime numbers. Now, similarly, you will find some more pairs of twin prime numbers in this list. Here 41, 43, 59, 61, 71, 73 are some more twin prime numbers. Children, you have to complete your copies till here. Thank you.